Hello, my name is Michelle, and today I'm going to show you how to take an old sign or a sign that you got from cheap, revamp it, and make it look exactly the way that you want. So let's go ahead and let's get cutting. Okay, so at this point I have my design fully cut here on my cutting mat. I have the vinyl that I'm going to use as a background, and then I have my sign. Now, this sign, this is not what I want to be on my sign. I got this sign from Hobby Lobby. It was on 90% off for like $1, and so I'm just gonna pull this backing off here. And we're gonna give this sign a little bit of a makeover. Now, I don't want this to be a lemonade sign. I want it to be hang this way. I'm gonna make it one that goes sideways. So what I'm gonna do is I need to cover this lemonade up with some vinyl. So I have my full sheet of vinyl here, and you could paint this also. You don't have to do it in vinyl, but since I have it here, it's just kind of a quick way to be able to cover it up. And so I'm going to peel off the top layer here, and I'm just going to lay it down right across this top corner. So you want to make sure that it's flat, even with the side. I'm just going to kind of press it down right there. And then I'm going to peel the backing off as I go across. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this X-Acto knife and I'm just going to cut it right there along that edge. And now I'm going to do the same thing right here on this section. Okay, so now I have a plain white sign that's ready for me to apply my design onto. So I'm going to set this over here to the side, and then let's weed out our design. That's the next step. So I'm just going to, I made a weeding box around this design because with this font, it has like a skinny line in the middle of the font, and if you don't put a weeding box, you could waste potentially the entire sheet of vinyl. And all a weeding box is just a box that you place around your design so that it helps to waste less vinyl. I'm going to take my transfer tape, and I'm using paper transfer tape on this project. Rip it off so that it's all even when I first apply it. I'm just going to unroll the transfer tape. I'm going to do it right on here, right across the top. Place it on there, push it down. And your transfer tape doesn't necessarily have to be totally flat. It's okay if your transfer tape has a bubble or two. You just don't want your vinyl itself to have a bubble or two. So I'm going to rip this off now. Put my transfer tape over here to the side. And now it's ready for me to apply. So let me pull my sign back over. And I'm going to peel off the backing. Now I have my backing on there and I'm ready to apply it. So I can measure it and all that, but I'm an eyeballer, so I'm just going to kind of place it on here. Just like that. And then I'm going to go from the middle outwards and just smooth it down from the middle out. Smooth that design down. And then I'm ready to peel up the tape. And then we've got our brand new revamped sign. And you can put any word that you wanted to on there. Thanks so much for being here. I can't wait to see what types of signs you decide to create and revamp yourself. And I will see you back in the next tutorial. Bye.